Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can download photos sent to you by your contacts via Telegram on your Android and how to save them on your mobile device. So let's get started. So what you want to do, guys, is enter the conversation with the contact you requested photos from by tapping on it just like that. And what you want to do after that, guys, is tap on the photo that has been sent to you via the chat. After that, tap on these three dots here in the top right corner and select Save to Gallery from that drop-down menu. Now, guys, if you have received more than one photo from your contact within one message, Telegram will then ask you whether you would like to save only the one photo you're currently viewing or all photos in bulk by tapping, for example, on all three photos here. So let me do that really quickly. And there you go. All three photos have been saved to my gallery. Now you can confirm that by again tapping on one of your photos and by tapping on these three dots in the top right corner and by selecting show all media here. So that is going to show you all photos and videos that have been shared with you via Telegram by the given contact. Also, guys, you may check your device's gallery if the given photos have been correctly saved or not. So as you can see, they have been saved on my smartphone. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.